In the last video, we mainly talked about the path planning ability of the robot vacuum. We recommended the robot with a laser because that's the most stable navigation. In this video, we will discuss another key parameter, the cleaning function. Cleaning ability of the robot depends on two main actions, of sweeping and sucking. The sweeping refers to the two side brushes and the main roller brush, whilst the suction refers to the suction port at the bottom of the robot. The larger the suction value, the stronger the suction, with most robots on the market at around 1,500 to 2,500 PA. The cleaning function of the robot vacuum may depend on the structure of the robot vacuum, with its real cleaning part being the middle part and not just the side brushes. Most people tend to choose the robot with the strongest suction when they buy. However, the stronger suction also brings more noise, and the cleaning ability of the robot is also affected by the cleaning method of the robot. So it's not quite as simple as the stronger suction makes for a better robot. At present, there are three main structures available in the market. Single suction port. The biggest advantage of this is its ability to clean hair. This is because it doesn't face a problem of hair entanglement. It's suitable for families with pets, women with long hair, and is good for cleaning blankets. Double roller brush. This is designed with a set of two roller brushes at the bottom. It's got a better cleaning ability, but its price is far higher. It is not a mainstream product, and only a few robots on the market will use this. Single suction port and single middle brush. This is great for hoovering dust on the ground due to the high-speed rotation of the main brush, and the cleaning ability is far better than that of a single suction port. However, if the roller brush is not designed well, hair is the biggest enemy of this robot. I would say it's suitable for most floors and carpet. For most families, it's enough to use a robot cleaner with a single suction port, single middle brush, and suction around 1,500 to 2,000 PA. This is just like the Spark 980. It's affordable, it's comprehensive, and most importantly, it has a great after-sales service program.